Good morning, everyone. This is CA Madhu Thakuria. Guys, today when I was working out in the gym, I actually was thinking कि मैं क्या message record करूँ. What should I upload on YouTube for my students and what should I send it to my WhatsApp community. क्या अच्छी बातें बोलूँ जिससे you guys feel very motivating and you should then you start your day का journey. With your targets for the day and everything. Then I realized that do you really need that? Do you really need someone to come here and say एकदम ऐसा बहुत क्या बोलते हैं इमोशंस को प्रोवोक करने वाली चीज़ें ऐसे बोल करके जाऊँ मैं कि एंड देन थोड़ी देर के लिए यू फील वेरी मोटिवेटेड एंथुजियाज्म के साथ में हाँ चलो आज तो ये टारगेट अचीव कर देंगे, आज तो ये पढ़ लेंगे, आज वो पढ़ लेंगे. एंड धीरे धीरे जैसे वो फीलिंग सेटल होने लगे आफ्टर 1 hour, आफ्टर 2 hour, कुछ लोगों के लिए जस्ट इन हाफ एन आवर एंड देन यू विल गो बैक टू योर नॉर्मल फेज वेयर you do not want to study maybe, right? Or rather I can come here and just say to you that I want to be part of your journey. As in, I'll go to office, before going to office I'll start a study live stream where you can all join on YouTube. You can encourage each other to study. You can put your targets for every 75 minutes and then come back in those 15 minutes ka break and talk to everyone. What if I tell you that when you do this throughout your day, I will be watching you, I will connect with you through YouTube, through WhatsApp community, and when I come back from office, I wanna see you all again. I wanna talk to you. I want to know about how your day went. What did you do? Whether you achieved your study target, you didn't achieve your study target, whether you needed someone to talk to, and when you had none, you thought about me. And maybe then we can just accompany each other in this journey, and I can help you sit for long hours, like when you need to study, when you need to achieve those big your DT ka, FR ka, SFM ka targets, or maybe for other subjects as well. So I really wanna be that the other person who doesn't need to come here and just put a video of 2 minute 3 minute where I'm just saying some things like which will motivate you immediately, but then that might not help you to be consistent. Rather, as I said, I want to be the other person who can say and who actually sits with you for long hours while you complete your studies till the day you actually appear for exams. So I think that would be better. I feel I will feel more motivated to do that, to be that person in your life. So that's the more philosophical me. I don't know why I said that, but I really thought कि आप लोगों को मेरा ज़रूरत है यहाँ पर. If you just मतलब थोड़ा सा मेरा साथ मिल गया तो you guys are actually much more intelligent than me, and आप लोग कर लोगे आपका CA में जो भी जर्नी है, you will be able to achieve it. So do let me know whether whenever you need me throughout the day also, and we can have a little chat once I come back from office. All the best for your studies. Do send your targets either in the WhatsApp community or on YouTube live stream, wherever you feel comfortable. Work towards achieving it, because that feeling of achieving something, no matter how small is your target for today, that feeling will actually help you set bigger targets for yourself tomorrow. So that's it. Set targets, achieve it. If you are not able to achieve it, just let me know. If I can help you with anything, and I will be there. Chalo, with that thought, guys, I think I should go to office, and you all should get back to your studies, right? Have a really nice day. See you in the evening. Bye bye. Bye everyone.